Yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back. Now, today we got the most amazing kale and parsnip apple juice. So the first thing you're going to do is get you a parsnip. Just need one of them. Get you a knob of ginger. Get you 4 Granny Smith apples. You can use any other apples, but Granny Smith for this recipe is perfect. And then get you some dinosaur kale. And make sure everything is clean, washed properly. And this is some organic dinosaur kale. So I tried to get organic when I could. But that's neither here or there. And then you're going to go ahead and get your juicer put together. Now this here juicer is very simple to put together. This is actually my second juicer. I have a Breville as well, but this here is simple, and that's why I'm showing you this step here. If you decide to get this juicer here, the cleanup and put together is super easy. So go ahead and get your kale juiced first. And the reason I juice my kale first is because it's going to yield the least juice. But once I put in the apple and it's high water concentration, it's going to wash all that kale throughout the juicer. So that's why I did it that way. But once you get everything juiced, your pulp should be dry with this juicer. And this is a slow juicer here. You're going to go ahead and stir that juice up. And from there, you're going to go ahead and put it on some ice. I did take the foam off the top of the juice. Some people keep that, but I did take that off. But yeah, there you have it, man. The most simple juice. And I'm going to do a lot more of these juices because health is wealth. And 2023, we're just trying to get our health together. But I'm going to give you a lot of different combinations of juice and smoothies going forward. But yeah, man, thank you guys for checking this video out. Kale and parsnip lemonade from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. I'm out.